Idas Julian. Ready now, gates open, they're up and racing. Idas Julian draws for your lead. Hold the Bubblies by the rail. AJ Special, Runaway Star in between runners. Classic Quality and a long way back to Highly Urgent. As they race at the half-mile pole, Hold the Bubbly running by the rail. Idas Julian is on the outside. AJ Special running 3 wide, followed by Classic Quality. Runaway Star is running second last and Highly Urgent as they race towards the last 450. Idas Julian, Hold the Bubbly by the rail. AJ Special, Runaway Star moving up on the outside as they swing for home. Idas Julian running at the center. Hold the Bubbly, AJ Special, Runaway Star moving up on the outside. And down the stretch they come. Idas Julian moving up. Runaway Star, AJ Special, Hold the Bubbly. Idas Julian moving up. Runaway Star. But Idas Julian doing it from start to finish over Runaway Star, Hold the Bubbly. Then comes AJ Special, Classic Quality, and Highly Urgent.